So welcome back to the Online Academy of Irish Music, and we're going to continue now today with the Fiddle Basic course, and we're going to do the scale of G. And what we have to learn and remember with the scale of G is we've got a new note, and the new note for today is C natural, and that changes the patterns and the positions of our fingers on the fingerboard. So we're going to go through it now. So as with any scale, when you're playing a scale, you start on the note of the scale. So we're going to start on the note G, which we've done before. So that's our third finger on the D string, G. So that's our first note. So we're going to climb all the way up to the high G. So it's G, A, B, C natural. So that's our new note, is the C natural. That's when on the A string, your second finger goes from this position and slides back to this position. So this is our C natural. Your second finger tucks in beside the first. So instead of them being apart like this for D, they're like this for the key of G. Okay, so I'll just play that note for you. That's your C natural. So that's your second finger beside the first. So again, we'll go back to our G and we'll climb up and we'll do a big stop when we come to that C to make sure that everybody's clear on what we're doing. Okay? A, first finger B, and then the C natural right beside it. We'll try that one more time. Good. So as you can see, it sounds the same as the scale of D. The patterns of the notes are similar, just we have to change where our fingers go. Okay, we'll keep going with that. So A, B, C natural, third finger in D. Now, I'm going to stop there again. I'm going to keep my fingers as they are. As you can see now, there's a gap between the second finger and the third finger. Okay? So there we go, that's a different pattern. Usually they're together, but for this scale, they're apart, okay? So we'll just do it on the A string, A, B, C beside it, and your D, your third finger, is apart from that, okay? Beside it, and then apart. Okay, and then on our E string, we're going to do E, F sharp, and again, this new pattern with the G beside it, okay? So in the key of G, your first and second fingers stay together on the A string and on the E string, okay? So we'll try all that together, starting on G. Open A, B, C natural beside it, D apart, open E, first finger F, and the G beside it. Okay, so these are our new patterns for the scale of G. We'll go through that one more time, starting on G, three fingers on the D string. Okay, so again, remember to keep using your ear to listen out to make sure the notes are as in tune as you can possibly make them.